If you're working on architecture concepts, buildings, or environment designs, and want fast visual results without spending hours modeling, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use Nano Banana Pro for architecture inside OpenAI, step by step. Quick reminder before we start. You'll find a direct link to OpenAI in the video description, so open it now if you want to follow along. Let's get into it. Alright, so what Nano Banana is and why it's good for architecture. So Nano Banana Pro is a powerful AI model inside OpenAI that excels at structural consistency, clean geometry, architectural realism, and concept level accuracy. It's especially useful for architectural visualization, concept buildings, exterior and interior design ideas, early stage planning, and mood exploration. This is not a CAD, but it's perfect for concept art and visual direction. Alright, and in order to start using it, guys, you of course have to enter the image generation interface. You can do this either from home, then image, and then create an image, or you go to, as you can see, we have the left panel, you go to image, it will load up, and then you go create image, and now you're here. And now, guys, how do you use this Nano Banana Pro? You just go into the model or character, then press on switch, and you choose Nano Banana Pro as your active AI model, like that. Now it's activated, and now you're ready to create your architectures. And then you just set a canvas or image size, which can be done right here in output settings. Let us just generate a widescreen image right here, like this. Choose resolution, let's go for 4K. And also, as you can see, note that we are charged different amounts of credits depending on how big the resolution is. So in my case, for 2 images, I'll be charged 120 credits. And also decide if you're starting from text or an existing image. If you wish to start from text, we will just start inputting our prompt. If you want to use an image, you just upload it right over here. And using the correct model is key for architectural clarity. And now, starting with the prompts. Architecture prompts should be clear, structured, and descriptive. Example prompts: model residential house, clean concrete and glass facade, large windows, realistic architectural proportions, daylight, exterior view. And also some helpful prompt elements for you guys. Don't forget to mention the building type, materials, style, and lighting. Avoid vague wording. Architecture benefits from precision. And now let me just type in that prompt. And also, guys, you can, before you begin generating, start controlling a perspective and camera angles for better architectural visuals. Just specify the view. The examples are wide angle exterior shot, isometric architectural view, interior shot, eye level perspective, aerial view of building complex. This helps Nano Banana Pro keep realistic proportions and depth. And now let's press on create. Now the images are being generated. And then you just check for straight lines and symmetry when the image is generated, logical windows and doors, realistic scale, and material consistency. If something looks off, slightly refine the prompt and regenerate. Alright, so as you can see, 2 of the last images are the ones that I've just created. And just like I said, just check for integrity so that there's no messy stuff in them. Check the edges, the corners, the windows, grass, so that everything just looks real, right? And then when you're ready to export, you can just download and use your architecture visuals. You can just download as, and download as a compress, and download as a lossless PNG. Great, and now open it up. And as you can see, now we have our image. So we can just check it, by the way. So what do we have? We have the glasses. Everything looks pretty good, to be honest. I don't see any messy stuff whatsoever. The doors are properly made. Windows, reflections, as you can see, are also here. So this is a 4K image, pretty detailed. I would say this isn't far off from being a real image, to be honest. So pretty nice. So that's it. Enjoy creating your architectural images. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. And of course, don't forget about the link in the description if you wish to start easy. See you soon.